Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions for practice part 5. Dhaka Board 2017. Telling lies is a great sin. Telling lies is a great sin, isn't it? One lie begets hundreds lies, one lie begets hundreds lies, doesn't it? Man hardly believe a liar, man hardly believes a liar, do they? A liar has to lead a miserable life, a liar has to lead a miserable life, doesn't he? So all of us ought to refrain from telling lies, so all of us ought to refrain from telling lies, oughtn't we? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Till today, Jahangir Alam teacher, UCEP Bangladesh. Bye bye.